Good morning, everybody. I am Advait Mohan from class 5B Gateway International School. Today I am going to show how to make a bird feeder. The materials are a coconut shell, then a thread and a hook and rice. First I am going to get the coconut shell and then tie it onto the thread. Like this. And now I'm going to fill it up with rice so that the birds can come and eat it. And now I'm going to hook it onto the tree. Here. And now we are all done. And now the birds will come and eat the food. And when we see it's done, we will come and refill the food. Thank you.